they watch you live for Wazobia TV. This is my segment. At the verse. At the verse because many Nigerians the verse. We are not the verse.
We the verse.
You sure say the verse. Your face not black with the verse. Your face not black with the verse. Your face still is mine. You see that mama there?
Okay,
that mama the verse. That's still not the matter. I just make her enter street, make her they ask people many things, their opinion. Not be all the times if I enter street, I'm going to give them question. But this time I say make her enter, make people they tell me what did they happen as they boil them for mind. What did they happen?
At the verse, everything costs. No money, I know the Dibo, I know the Pan, I know the Yawa. Go see Kokonilu, go back to want you.
Where you they stay, uncle? You be landlady, I be landlord.
I know be landlady, yo.
You be landlady.
Na tenant, yo. Yes.
Your landlord they do well.
You know do well, yo. You money to no money.
For this Lagos.
No money, no anything.
They not do your road well for you.
See am now. They don't do am.
Now road be this.
See our market, they don't destroy everywhere.
Since when they destroy the market?
You don't tell.
They say they'll build them for now.
No, they don't tell anybody.
They don't live now stranded.
Yes, see.
They scatter and the open.
They scatter and no anything.
You just do like that.
Yes.
I ask you make talk, you know if you talk. Where be like who wear pint for head? Yeah, Alpha.
Good morning, sir.
What did they happen?
No, but that's you. Everything they dry, you. No money, no anything. Since more than 2 months now, we never do election now. Everything they started, nothing. See our market. Since more than 6 years we break out now. Everybody they inside some, nothing. And they not even prepare everything before you break that place. So see people now they suffer inside some, and they after now say we do election. So everything they. Everything they dry now. That's the everything there now. So I don't even want they okay.
You know they okay?
I'm not they okay.
But you talk like they okay?
No, I talk like okay, but no money, no anything now.
See your belly now, you they okay?
No money, no belly, no mind your body.
Man, not mind your body. So your body not classify, say you they okay?
Yes.
Madam, can't hold this your leave when they fall. Even your leave not they okay.
So I pray my government now.
Come on, man, go meet mama when you want to talk. Now you be the Elijah.
Good afternoon, yes.
Good afternoon. I be Elijah for this market.
This our market made not do away for us. Everything they cost. We don't know what they cost them. I come market now, come buy meat. They cost too much.
Maybe now.
They buy 500 before, it's 915.
No say now from north that they bring the meat.
I know.
So it got cost now. You know say that they do bomb blast for that side.
Okay.
Bomb be like not cut for there.
Now I cost them.
So they bring cow self. Any car when she say
they. Our government help us. Make them help us.
Any car you say that they chop now. Maybe now bomb went blast now it run come here. Maybe you might be guaranteed.
Wow. So make now help us. So
apart from that, where you dey stay? Now you be landlord.
I not be landlord. I be tenant. I never get my shop there along this road.
But they say they don't scatter the shops. They never come repair them.
No, my own shop now for our baby I do.
Baby.
Along this street.
You don't enjoy Nepal light now, be?
No Nepal light, so. No lights. No, they stable. It won't kill me. See on my body.
Hey, yeah, see like that.
No light to sleep. No light to sell markets. My business is like something.
Okay, which kind of business do they do?
They sell beer.
They sell beer?
Yes.
Beer latte!
Now so.
So. Madam, go kiss like 2 bottles, abi?
If you follow, I will take you. I will give
like
you
2 bottles.
Yeah.
Not free?
No, as you be my person, I can give you free.
I'll take be your person, not be just now you know me. All right, madam. Yes, so. Madam, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How market?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you dey sell well, abi?
Thank God.
Thank God. How long now you don't do here now? Just tell me your mind. What did they pay you?
Give me for this.
What did they pay you for this?
What did they pay me for this life? Is say no money and no food.
No money, no food.
No money, no food. And I get for.
Not be ugu you they carry. No be chop the ugu like that.
I can't chop ugu like that without cooking.
You sure?
I better make it try you so that country go do good.
So what did you say of you now?
Make anybody when they enter, make it do obodo, make it fine.
Okay. All right, I tell you, I enter street today. I say make everybody they yarn their own. Nobody don't really tell me what you go make me happy, Sha, because I believe say if I meet one solid advocate for road here, you go talk well. So how far now?
Good day, my brother.
Yeah, how market?
Good, thank God for the day.
Talk your mind.
My mind is that Nigeria is not stable. We need change of the government.
Talk well. Talk. Speak pidgin. No one. Pidgin in our
For ourselves, we need the government to change. If PDP take over the state, things should change normal. I get what I'm saying.
Yes.
The market will be stable. See where people there. Can you see your road? And nothing is going well. So we need the government to change for this state. Period.
May they just change, Abi.
For this state.
You don't care. You don't get your PVC.
Very, very well.
You don't get that.
Very, very well.
What do they talk about the card reader?
The card, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
I hear say some not they work well.
Some are working well.
Okay. Some are working well. Some are not working well.
No, that's normal.
Now Igbo made it. Now they work well.
You should understand. Now Igbo way they work well pass.
You know, as we dey here now, we look the environment we there now. You know, say, which you even say I know there, you know, say we dey suffer here now. Should be know.
They even they show for your body self.
How you do from leg to if you say address, you know, say hey, no be say.
Even as I did and I died for you so.
My own never die. You dey manage.
You know you dey manage.
But I didn't even pray to Lagos State.
May I feel if I come here, I feel faint.
May they help, make it at least. Make it see.
I hear say don't they scatter this market.
How you say with you? See our market there now.
My market be this.
My market better live.
So this place.
Plant grass.
Wait, this place supposed to be market, Abi?
So that's what I mean. I plead to you. I say, beg, help me. If you see a place where we will say the money, look at. If rain come like it beat us. If the sun, see where with the sweat like this.
Rain come, it beat now. Sun come, it beat now.
If they see
forces come, it go beat now.
I see. I'm sorry. Nothing we know there. Beg, make it help. I make it help us.
Let this man will gather waste like which I don't know.
It's big no. So we beg, thank you.
Everybody for here, help everybody. It don't do.
Don't do. You dey show yourself since no fit talk. You don't do. Bro, how far now? Come, talk your mind. What you dey face? Talk your mind.
You can see we don't have any road here. Yes.
No road here at all.
No road here, no light.
How long na road here?
How long? Let me say about 10 years.
Una get light here?
No light now, you can see now.
No light. I not even dey see you. No say most of Nigerians will get eye problem. If we see green, we'll call them blue. Probably the road are good, but we are not seeing that it's good.
Now, which one will you see now?
No, I dey see and say they tire of this road. Like I say they tire of this road, not the same. They tire of the road. All right, still on the matter. At the enter street to find out so many things so that people will pour out their mind. But I never really see people they pour their mind. Like I say, most Nigerians they hide their feelings well for this country. Maybe I did the wrong area, shall. But I'll see enter, or maybe I go enter street. I mean, what you think? Make I enter street, road, the other main road. Man, find out.
Well, it's still the same thing, though. We are praying to God to help us. Like as of now, all we need now is God's intervention. Because I don't think that a human being, unless God intervene and help us, even we as women now, we have make a prayer gathering. It will take place on this Saturday at Kingdom Life Ministry.
Okay, you don't advertise your church with that too.
Advertising it, but you ask a question, how do we find the country? So we are putting the nation in prayer that God should rescue us because we don't know what is happening. But we pray that when we pray, God will answer our prayer. And let everybody join hands together and live to Nigeria. It's not one person's problem. And it's not only one person that will solve the problem. Not even the government alone. Nigeria as a whole, we need to come together and do the...
And solve the problem.
Yes. That is...
Bam! Still on the street here.
I want to make our president they hear them. Make all the governors they hear them. And they talk my mind. You understand? As you see me at the Vex before, because I be graduate. Can you imagine graduates selling popcorn at bus stop? Is it good? It's not good. This our country, they are not trying at all. They know they help us at all. They won't make you go die. You see, am I not okay? BSc holder.
BSc holder.
BSc holder. University of Calabar. A whole University of Calabar selling popcorn at Ijesha Market. Tell them say at the Vex.
How long you don't look for work?
I don't look for work for over 4 years now, since 2011 that I finished youth service. I don't look for work, no job. Tell them say I need work. I'm not supposed to stay for Ijesha Market, bus stop, and there I did. I need work for this country. At the Vex. This is our country, they are not helping us. Okay, look at now. Politicians, see what thing they do all over. Promising us heaven and earth. After all said and done, nothing is showing. So tell them say at the Vex. My mind are the vex seriously.
That means the way they vex now, so many Nigerians go the vex.
Now so many Nigerians they vex. You supposed to understand me now. Every year they are producing graduates, a lot thousands of graduates, but no job. They are not encouraging us. Honestly, I'm angry. Are they vex seriously? Make sure they hear this thing while they talk. Make them locate me, give me job. I want to sit at inside office. I don't want to stay for bus stop.
Yeah,
they say popcorn. It has been my plan. Even before I went to school.
Now only this country, now person go plan, they will change in career.
Honestly, my brother, and only this country.
What of you, bros? You be deaf and dumb. Express now to collect money for road, I go to shout.
No, I don't talk anything.
Make they come find me. I think they talk. Make they find me for here. Make they find me for Ijesha Market. Come give me work. Ijesha Market is a known place. Tell them that I am here 24 hours. That I need job. From now till April, let them come and give me job.
All right, if you watch me live for Street Yarns, this one I talk your mind. Now be this show, talk your mind. For this segment, if they hear this young man now, federal government, anybody when they did when they hear, anybody, politicians, anybody, as now they hold us for street, may make people they enter street, youth they enter street. And now carry our own children go up. Well, God is you now. There is God, though. Why I say?
My brother, country is good.
The country is good. It's good like this.
It's good.
As you did like this.
Country is good, no problem.
Country is good.
God will provide everything we need.
All right. What of you?
Today Nigeria, we dey suffer too much. Things no dey better at all. Suffer here and there, which is no good. The government should help us. We students.
How long they wait for a bus here?
Almost like, let me say, 10 minutes.
10 minutes ago.
No keke. You're not supposed to do like that. It's very poor, and the road is very bad, too bad. Dust everywhere, that is causing catarrh and cough to us.
Why you say that they try for Lagos, say all the road good now?
They don't try anything, nothing they work for Lagos here. Everything for Lagos, they jaga.
Light, no dey.
Light na the worst. Light na worst. Since, as the heat, they kill us, heat, they kill us for house, for night. We don't dey fit sleep for night, which is too bad. The government should help us.
There are so many things that we need to change, especially in our economy. So we need changes, especially election that is coming. We need a better, maybe we need somebody that will transform this our country, Nigeria, for good. Especially road. We need social amenities like waters, electricity. No electricity.
Say they give borehole for your area.
You said?
Borehole, water borehole not there.
Yeah, we don't have.
Yes.
We don't even have light. We go stay almost a week without light. So we need changes. Yes.
Okay.
It's all right.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. Solo the matter Street Yarns for Wazobia TV. Make you not touch that. My name is MC Shaggi. Make you not touch that. I tell you not touch the die. If you touch them, if you touch them, okay, I go just come on this thing. I go pull your shirt. I go pull up. Back it there. Po! Street Yarns, Channel 195, 11:30 every day. Watch out. MC Shaggi is my name. Pay.